Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, February 9th, 2016, and here are your announcements. Announcement number 1, book orders. Okay, get those book orders turned in. Announcement number 2, Book It Forward. It's not too late to donate some books for the Book It Forward drive if you could bring those in tomorrow. We're going to be passing those out at parent-teacher conferences, so there will be a big table set up. So if you're there, you're more than welcome to try them out. Hold on, I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm good. All right, so that's your second announcement. Announcement number 3, make sure you're keeping up with your reading in Freedom Walkers. Okay? Today and tomorrow, you're going to be kind of working on keeping up with all that. So by Monday, I want you to be, or I guess Tuesday, I want you to be finished with chapter 3. So yesterday you were supposed to read chapter 2. Today and tomorrow read chapter 3. Make sure you're caught up with that. You also have weekly writing 6, which is that because of blank, I can now do blank. That is on Google Classroom. You need to choose 3 people that have had an impact on your life and explain how they've had an impact on your life. Okay? So because of, the example I use is because of Miss Heidersbach, my creative writing teacher, I feel like I can actually be a writer because she kind of taught me a lot of things and gave me confidence in myself. So you're going to do a paragraph for each person and turn that in. All right, here's what we're working on today. A couple of different things. First off, you do have a bell work question, okay, and we'll talk about the bell work question here in a little bit. Second, you're going to be setting up an account on a website called NoRedInk.com. It's a way to work on grammar, but it's a little bit of more fun because No Red Ink takes celebrities, athletes, your friends' names if you want, and puts them into sentences. So instead of just boring grammar sentences, you've got all these things popping up in your grammar sentences to work on. Okay, it's good grammar practice. All right, third thing we're going to be working on is a letter. Okay, you're going to be writing a letter to your parents or whoever is coming to parent-teacher conferences. Even if you think, oh, well, they're not going to come. You still got to write the letter because we'll email it to them or make sure they get that. All right, so right now answer the bell work question on your bell work sheet. Then, if you want to go ahead and go to NoRedInk.com and try to test it out, you can. Otherwise, I'll walk you through the steps to get on that. Or you can go right to reading chapter 2 or chapter 3 in the book. Make sure, again, you're doing at least one quote, at least one reflection from Freedom Walkers. All right? I know it's a lot of information. I'll go over it in more detail, step by step, here in a little bit. But for now, get started on that bell work question. Again, as always, book it forward and be awesome.